Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a forward edge battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10 mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a terminal puller. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged. For your safety, remember to wear protective gear like safety glasses and gloves throughout the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure battery replacement. Now let's disconnect the old battery. First, locate your forward edge battery, which is typically found under the hood. Using your 10 mm wrench, loosen the nut on the negative battery terminal and carefully remove the cable. Always disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent electrical shorts. Then, repeat this step for the positive terminal, ensuring both cables are clear of the battery. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Before placing the new battery, clean the battery tray and the cable terminals with a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully set the new battery into the tray, making sure it's stable. Then, connect the positive cable to the positive terminal first, tightening it securely. Finally, connect the negative cable to the negative terminal. To finish up, secure the new battery firmly in place using its hold-down clamp or strap. This prevents movement and potential damage. Apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both battery terminals to protect against rust and ensure a long-lasting connection. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Start your engine to confirm everything is working correctly. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.